Hello friends, so today we will see another experiment which is nothing but the how lava comes out from the mountain. So you must have heard about volcanoes, lavas, etc, etc. So this is the ready-made setup. This is not the actual setup, okay? So this is the ready-made setup I made for you, made for the children, made for the students. Okay, so those who are very curious how the lava comes out. So as you can see, there is a red color water I have kept it, and actual lava is very hot, you cannot bear it, you cannot tolerate the temperature as well. Okay, so I made this artificial mountain where that is holding some lava in it, and how this will happens. Okay, so we are actually responsible for this process. So the because of the man-made activities, mining activities we do, so because of that what happens, the earth surface gets shaken, and we are actually responsible to contribute the pollution into the environment. So because of that, this land pollution, water pollution and air pollution occur. So there is no that earth surface get disturbed because of the no mining activity. So now if I shake this earth surface or shake this mountain, you will realize that lava will comes out of this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the nothing but I made it. Okay, so with the help of arrowhead I'm trying to show you that this is nothing but the lava. Okay, which is very hot, and if we disturbed it, then it will come out. So here you can see I just shaken this part, no shaken the earth surface or the mountain, and now you can see this is coming out. So those are nothing but the red color bubbled. Okay, so that is coming out of it. So as you can see clearly, you can see something red colored bubbles are coming out of this mountain. If we keep continue shaking this the earth surface, then it will comes out. See, this is flowing downwards. So that water, that nothing but in reality the lava will comes out in this way only. Okay, so this bubbles, no, with the hot temperature is very hot, you cannot even sustain in it, so it comes out of it. All over the mountain you can see that volcano or that the lava is all over spread it, right? So if I keep shaking the earth surface or the mountain, see like this, if I keep shaking, so you see here, so here you can clearly see the large bubbles. Okay, I have shaken this, and then now you can see the large bubbles are coming out of it, right? And those bubbles are nothing but the very hot lava is coming out of this mountain. So this is a very small experiment I am trying to show to the students. Okay, those who want to do some science project, they can also follow this steps to do it, right? So this is how the lava will come out. Okay, again I'm trying to shake it. So no, because of the mining activity, because of the other human activity like constructions, etc, no, we are actually disturbing the earth surface. You must have studied the soil formation, right? The bedrock, small rocks, bigger rocks, humus, soil layer, etc. You must have studied the soil layers, right? So that soil layers get disturbed because of this activity, and here once again I shaken this, and again this lava is coming out. So no, like if I'm trying to tease you, you get angry, right? If I'm trying to tease you again and again, you will hear me. You will be, like you will keep your patience, but one day you will break your patience and you will be angry on me. So something like this only, we are trying to disturb the earth surface, and then what will happen, the earth will get angry and the lava will comes out like this. So even you can do this experiment at your home. If you want, you can do it. So I hope you must have enjoyed this experiment. So goodbye guys, take care, bye bye.